Hey everybody, welcome back to Plum Figgy. This is Tammy. Alright, we have a junk journal that's ready to be sold. Oh, and I have a kitten. Okay, so let's get into this. So, I have here just a piece of fabric that has been dyed with some black, watered down black paint. So that is just wrapped around. You honestly don't really need it, but if you want to keep it closed, then definitely you could use that. We have some really cute, fun thickers. So these are three-dimensional, and there are some throughout the journal folio. Okay, so tucked inside this first pocket, we have a junk journal. And so here I've left this open for you to add some journaling or pictures or whatever you might want to use this journal for. Turning the page, we've got some tea-dyed papers in a collage on the back side of that front page, and then just some more tea-dyed papers throughout. This is really fun. So this part of the kit, the scrapbooking kit that came with this whole collection. And behind the windows there are some hidden little characters. And so we've got one up here, which is a bat. And we have behind this little window a pumpkin. And behind this window we have a spider in his spider web. And behind the door we have a cute little kitty cat. So here, let me pull this up so you can see it a little bit closer. So this is glued down, and I just thought it was kind of fun. And you can add your journaling around here if you wanted to. And then when you turn the page, this next page is completely blank. We've got some more of the tea-dyed papers. Continuing on, and then the back page of the junk journal portion is another collaged journaling spot. We've got a fun little, sorry, my fingers are still black from doing all the edges. Tricks Not Treats, and then this is one of the pieces from the kit. And then so the back page is just the eyeballs, but I think this would be a fun page if you wanted to add pictures or whatnot on the back side of that. That would be really fun to do. So that just tucks back in here carefully. It's a fairly large journal folio. Alright, so opening it up, first page, we have an envelope here with a cute, it says Sweet Treat, and then tucked into that is another journaling card. Down here it says Halloween Fun, and then on the back side you've got some lined paper. Tucked inside the envelope we have another journaling card. Back side of that is more lined paper, and then the other side is this really fun green with black polka dot, and it just says Trick or Treat, and then we have our little skeleton guy again. Alright, and then on this envelope we have a journaling card here ready for you to add photos and writing. Another kitty cat here. It says Boo on that, and then that just tucks into this little spot here. Opening this side up, we've got another fun, it's all fun, but a couple of journaling cards here. So lots of room for writing or photos. And then the back side of that is some tea-dyed graph paper with a little bit of decorative trim on the side. And then this one has an owl, so it's got candy. So a lot of trick-or-treating references here. So here we've got a pocket up here. This is actually a belly band, so you could stick another journaling card in there or another photo if you wanted to. So really cute spider webs, and it says "Boo to you, give me candy, and I'm not scared." And then the back side, just some more journaling spots, and those cute little stickers again. It says "Eek," and then here we've got a cute little journaling card with another one of those bats, and then the back side is the lined paper again. And I'll pull this up so that you can see it easier. Really great journaling card for a bigger picture if you wanted, and then the back side you've got lots of journaling space there, and then it has the Frankenstein guy, and it says ghosts and goblins, and that just tucks back behind here. And then tucked into this one we've got another little bat guy, and on the back side you've got some lined paper. So let me pull this up so you can see a little bit easier. So there, that says "Boo time," and you've got yourself a little jack-o'-lantern, another little jack-o'-lantern. It says "I love candy." And so then that just closes like that. Over here we've got a couple more journaling cards. So lots of blank spaces for you to add writing or photos. Those just tucked behind here. And on this page you've got your little spider up here, and then that's your tuck spot with the little cat. And so these are not stickers, these are actually paper, but they're like kind of 3D, puffy kind of. It's hard to explain, but they're really cute. Okay, so here we have a a pocket. And tucked inside that pocket is this bigger journaling card. We've got the Frankenstein guy again, and then on the side some more of those stickers. It says "Boo," and then here's the back side, so lots more journaling space. And then down in the bottom corner you've got a little, well, it says "little pumpkin," but just a little collage there. So that just tucks inside. On the next page we have this cute spread. So here we have a really great spot for a photo. Let me pull it up closer. So the stacked pumpkins, and then this one is the paper one that's kind of puffy. And then that sticker says "Haunted House," and you got a spider web there. And so this just swivels, and then that'll open this up, and here you've got more room for either writing or photos. And then tucked inside there we have a journaling card. These are kind of felt spiders, so just a little bit of writing space there, and then the back side has even more writing space. And so then that just tucks back inside like so. And then over here obviously you've got some more of those stickers. It says "Trick or Treat," and then here, let me pull this up, just a little label. These are stuck down, so there's a little bit of writing space there. It says "Creepy Crawlies," and then once you open that up, it's kind of hard to see all of it, but we've got orange and black over here. And then obviously here you can see the haunted house scene. If you wanted to add writing in there, you could. Or if you just wanted to leave this as it is, that would be really cute too. So let me close this back up. So then this just swivels back around. And then of course over here we've got more writing space or room for photos. And tucked inside here is this sweet card. It's a big old ghost, and then it says "Happy Haunting" down below. And then on the back side you've got lots of room for some writing. So he just tucks in there. And then of course we've got another pocket here. And each of these pockets has only one thing in it, but there's room for more if you wanted to add that. So really cool moon, and then, sorry, landscapers. Room for some writing up here or photos if you wanted to. And then obviously on the back side, lots and lots more room for writing. We've got our another friendly ghost and our friendly little bat up there. And then that just tucks back inside. Just like that. Alright, so turning this page, we've got another little tuck spot, and he's a jack-o'-lantern with his mouth wide open. You could add a photo there, or just some writing if you wanted to, or just leave him the way he is. And then tucked behind him is this little journaling card. So it's Happy Halloween. More writing space here. And then obviously you could use all these spaces here with, if you had like a white gel pen, that would be really cool if you wanted to write on those. And then tucked inside this paper bag is yet another journaling card with another collage. So this one's the larger cat, that's like the puffy paper one. And then you've got this cute trim. It says Tricks and Treats, Silly Monsters, Happy Halloween, Who Goes There, and then Batty Bat. And then the back side, we've got this fun little ghost stamped there. And then obviously more room here for some writing or whatever you want to use it for. Alright, and then tucked back behind that little bag is yet another big journaling card. This comes out, so here you could add some writing here, and then if you wanted to, you know, add more writing on the back, you could, or you could add a photo. And actually, if you wanted to put this back in like that so that your photo would see through, that would be really fun. So then that just tucks back down inside there. I'll fix that later. And then the back side of that has some more lined paper for journaling. Over here on this envelope, we've got a cute little bat hanging from the ceiling. And then down here it says Happy Haunting, and then of course some room for writing or whatever. Tucked into this envelope, we've got another journaling card with the little spiders with the spider web, and then the lined paper again. So that just tucks down in there. And then flip that open, and we've got a creepy crawly spider in his spider web. So there's our spider, creepy crawly here, obviously. And then tucked into this envelope is a tall journaling card. On this side, we've got, well, lots of room for photos and things. And then here it's got the witch's hat, and it says Magic Potion. And then on the other side, we've got some more journaling space here with another little spider, a tuck spot here, some more journaling space, and then this is just some tea-dyed paper that's been tucked into there. So lots of room for writing. And then behind the window in the inside, we've got some of this candy corn paper, which is so cute, from that collection. So this just slides back down inside. And then you can open this side up. We've got another moon and just black paper here. A couple of tuck spots and pockets with some journaling cards that are really cute. So this back one is just black, and then the polka dot paper on the back. And then these two, this one is white, orange stripes with your little ghost. Try not to say Casper the ghost. And then this cute little stamp, and it says pumpkin carving party. That's hard to say. And then another tuck spot up here. So the bottom of that, this one ends at the top of the bottom one. Really cute black paper with little stars on it, and then we've got your jack-o'-lantern guy with some more writing space, and then the back side of that is just the orange polka dot. So lots of room for adding your own personal touches in here for sure. And then of course in the back we have yet another large journaling card. Here is, I let the characters on this one shine. Whoever, and then on the back side you've got your little spider guy again. So lots of room more for writing or whatever you wanted to do there. So there are some things that were left over. Oh, I'm sorry. There is a back that I haven't shown you yet. I'll put that back in later. So, and then the back side, we've got this really cool thicker here that says Ghostly, and then these three characters here in their shadows. that are kind of looking like ghosts. Well, and this one's obviously a ghost. So, all right. So there were a few things left over from me putting this together that I'm going to provide to whoever purchases this folio. So we've got some of these stickers that are left that you could use to decorate some more. And then I'm going to give you this sticker sheet too. And so that way you could use that as more decorations. And I may make a few more little journaling cards, but really I don't have a whole lot of paper left. Oh, and then I almost forgot. There is this leftover. So you got a cute little kitty cat there. Some more 3 little stickers here, and then this, so that you could use as additional decorations in this journal. So I'll just go ahead and tuck those in there, and we're gonna have this. This is gonna be listed in my Etsy shop, and I will have a link down in the description to my Etsy shop if you would like to purchase this. And yeah, I think that's probably going to be it for me for Halloween for this year. I think it's time to move on. I've got a few fall journals I want to do, and then maybe another Christmas journal or two. We'll see. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!